children, welcome back. Let's begin the remaining topic of the chapter 3, Drainage in Geography. Today we are going to discuss very interesting topic in this video, that is the lakes in India, importance of lakes. Also we will cover the role of river in Indian economy, and at last we will wind up with the river pollution. So children, let's begin the first topic of this chapter, that is the lake in India. So there are different types of lake as we have seen in chapter 2, and they are of different types. Some lakes are seasonal lakes, some are called as lagoon lakes, some are tectonic activity lakes, means these lakes are produced due to the tectonic activity, and some are artificial, and some are called as large lakes. So let us see the example of each and every types of lake. See children, the seasonal lake, the best example in India is Sambhar Lake. And we have discussed in chapter 2 also that the Sambhar Lake is very popular, and it is in Rajasthan. It is useful for producing salt. So here we can write example as Sambhar Lake. Next comes the lagoon lake. The example of lagoon lake is Chilka Lake, which is present in Odisha, which is the largest saltiest lake in India. So it is also called as the saline lake. So Chilka Lake. Also, do you know children, this Chilka Lake is made due to the oxbow pattern. So it can be included in the form of oxbow lakes. Now tectonic activity lake. Some lakes are being created due to the tectonic activities. So one of the example is Wular Lake, which is present in Jammu and Kashmir. Now next is artificial lake. Artificial lakes are created by human being for the purpose of irrigation and generating hydroelectric power station. And the best example is Guru Gobind Sagar. Now in Guru Gobind Sagar, Bhakra Nagal Dam is established for producing hydropower station. Now comes large lake. Children, these large lakes are also called as large sea, because the amount of water remains very large in this, and we don't have any such kind of large sea in India. Yes, we have in Asian continent and European continent. These are our Caspian Sea is the example of large sea, and Red Sea. These kind of seas are the example of large sea. Children, let's see some other types of lakes. Number 1 is Taran Lake. These type of lakes are circular mountain lakes, and these lakes form in the hollow worn by glacier erosion or blocked by ice debris. Now next type of lake is volcanic lake. These lakes are created by the ancient volcanoes filled up with water and produces lake. Another type of lake is stream lake, is the body of running water moving under the influence of gravity. And swamp lake becomes lake during the rainy season and swamps during the dry month. in the economy. Children, if we talk about the role of river in Indian history, we all know and well aware about that most of the popular civilization, their origin arose near to the river bank. So these rivers are the places from where several culture and the civilization arose. Role of rivers in Indian economy. Rivers have been fundamental importance throughout the human history. Water from the rivers is the basic natural resource essential for various human activities. Therefore, the river banks have attracted settlers from ancient time. These settlements have now become big cities. Using rivers for irrigation, navigation, hydropower generation is one of the specific significance, particularly to the country like India, where agriculture is the major source of livelihood of the majority of its population. So last topic is the river pollution. Children, we all are aware that river water is very important, and apart from this river water, when we use for the domestic purpose, this water is used in the industries as well as for the agriculture. Now, human activity has just spoiled the complete quality and the freshness of the river water. How it is being affected due to the several activities like throwing of garbage, dust, waste from the industries towards the river bank or the river side. That is how the quality and the purity of the river water is getting polluted. Water pollution. Water pollution occurs when external polluting materials are released into water, contaminating the quality of it for other users. Let us see the sources of water pollution. Sewage and domestic wastes, industrial wastes and influents, insecticides and pesticides, detergents and fertilizers, siltation, thermal pollution and radioactive materials. All these are the sources of water pollution. Various action plans are launched by the government to control river pollution. Under River Conservation Plan (NRCP), it was ensured that no fluid to be discharged in the river. Industrial pollution will be detected. Low cost of sanitation facility will be developed. Organic farming will be promoted. River farms development will be taken under the major ghats. Afforestation process will be taken in the massive scale. Endangered flora and fauna will be conserved to maintain Ganga's ecological integrity. But none of these actions will work until we all dedicate ourselves into the mission. The Clean Ganga Fund has been designed to one of such channel to channelize the resources from across the country towards this mission, from individual as well as from institution. Both Indians and foreign, bringing in innovative managerial technical knowledge and connect international community. With this, all welcomed to join hand in novel mission. Donate funds, create awareness, plant trees, pilot techniques and conduct research, adopt ghat. Through all these contribution and participation, Ganga will find her modern identity. So children, we have completed this chapter by covering all important topics. So once again, before going to end up, let's solve some questionnaire and take our self-assessment. Question 1 is, which of the following lake in Rajasthan is a salt water lake? Dal Lake, Wular Lake, Samar Lake or Chilka Lake? Second question is, Wular Lake in Jammu and Kashmir is the result of which of the following activity? Tectonic activity, rainfall, human activity or none of these? Third question is, in which year Namami Ganga program was launched by Union Government of India? 2010, 2013, 2011 or 2014? Answer all these questions in comment. Thank you for watching.